If you're not paying for the product, you are the product. This was the defining rule of the early internet. In the advertising era, companies like Facebook and Google offered free access in exchange for your attention. Your screen time was the inventory they sold to advertisers. We believe the rules changed when AI arrived. When we pay $20 a month for a premium subscription, we feel a sense of security. There is a psychological comfort in the invoice. We assume that because we are paying for the service, we have finally become the customer instead of the resource. The token economy removes this distinction. Even with a paid subscription, the system is designed to extract value from your presence and your payment simultaneously. Paying the bill no longer buys you out of the machine. To understand why, we have to look at the specific unit of measurement found on your statement. In the old model, companies tracked your time on the site. In the AI era, the metric of success has shifted to tokens per session. These companies do not bill you for the quality of an answer or the intelligence of the code it writes. They bill for the token count, essentially the length of the response. Whether the output is a brilliant breakthrough or useless filler, the meter runs exactly the same way. AI labs package these token totals into inventory bundles for their next venture capital funding round. The velocity of this consumption is the key metric used to support multi-billion-dollar valuations. The more tokens you burn, the more valuable the company appears to its investors. This creates an elegant incentive. While a lawyer bills by the hour on a visible statement, AI tokens are invisible to the user. You have no way of knowing if a model is being helpful or simply being expensive. The rising rate of your daily consumption is the actual asset being pitched to Wall Street and Silicon Valley. Standard utilities like water or power allow the company to set the price, but you control the volume. A power company cannot reach into your house and force your appliances to use more energy. The AI model is different. The lab controls the price per token, and they also design the software that determines how many tokens are needed to answer your prompt. A developer can program the next version of a model to be more thorough, forcing it to use more context and more words to solve the exact same problem you solved yesterday. This is where reasoning tokens come in. This is the model's private monologue, a series of steps it takes before it ever shows you an answer. While marketed as a performance breakthrough, these invisible blocks are often the largest expense on a user's hidden bill. You are paying for the model to think in the dark. In this system, improving the product and inflating the customer's consumption are the same action. The industry often argues that AI isn't exploitative because the cost per token is dropping. They point to falling prices as evidence of a consumer-first approach. This hides the real math. By dropping the price slightly, while exponentially increasing the number of tokens the model is programmed to burn, the total cost to the user continues to climb. You may find the answers provided to be highly valuable, but receiving a useful service does not change the fact that your usage is being systematically farmed to meet growth targets. Cattle in a feedlot receive high-quality grain. They are well-fed because it increases their value to the owner, not because they are the customers of the farm. When you see the next announcement about superior reasoning or thoughtful AI, look past the marketing claims. Look at the meter. The only question that matters is whether the system is built to solve your problem or simply designed to grow your consumption.